Hello and welcome to this short video in which I will talk about the tool technologies MonoSTIR and DynaSTIR used in friction stir welding. My name is Heineck. I'm a sales manager for the Friction Stir Welding division at Grenzebach. First, I would like to introduce two tool technologies which are part of our product portfolio, the MonoSTIR and the DynaSTIR tool technology. After this, I would like to explain the design structure and highlight its advantages. Friction stir welding tools always consist of two components, the so-called shoulder, which in simple terms is the front surface of the tool, which covers the top of the workpiece, and the so-called pin, which dips into the workpiece and generates the welding in depth. The MonoSTIR tool concept is a one-piece friction stir welding tool. Due to its design, both the pin and the tool shoulder rotate at the same rotational speed during the friction stir welding process. The main advantage of the MonoSTIR tool is the high welding speed. When exceeding a welding depth of 4 mm or 0.16 inches, DynaSTIR tools can no longer keep up. At a welding depth between 0.5 and 4 mm or 0.02 and 0.6 inches, the MonoSTIR tool and DynaSTIR tool concept often achieve approximately the same welding speeds. Contrary-wise to MonoSTIR tools, DynaSTIR tools consist of two components. This enables the shoulder to be slid over the workpiece without rotation. Only the pin rotates with the tool concept. Compared to the MonoSTIR tool, the following advantages can be achieved with DynaSTIR tools. A smooth, almost burr-free surface is produced. The distortion is very low, the product quality is very high. Let me summarize the main takeaways for you. The MonoSTIR tool concept can achieve a higher welding speed, and the DynaSTIR tool concept can achieve a higher seam quality or product quality. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me and my colleagues.